If Google Drive is showing no preview available for your file, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your file opening properly again. This is a really common issue, especially with documents, uploads that were interrupted, or browser problems that stop Drive from generating a preview. And yes, before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign into the Google account that has access to the file. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the file that is not previewing correctly. Right-click the document and choose Open With, then select Preview if that option is available. You can also try the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+Pon on your keyboard. In many cases, this immediately forces Drive to open the file in preview mode instead of showing the error. If that still does not work, click Preview again if prompted and see whether the file loads. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and simply opening the file in a different way can fix it. If the preview still fails, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, because old cache data can interfere with Google Drive loading correctly. To do that in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then go to Settings. On the left side, find Privacy and Security. From there, click Delete Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set appropriately and then select cached images and files. If you want, you can also clear cookies, but for this fix, cached files are the most important. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. After clearing the cache, go back to Google Drive and refresh the page. If needed, press F5 on your keyboard, then try opening the file again. A lot of preview issues are fixed right here because Drive is forced to reload everything fresh instead of using broken stored data. If the problem continues, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. This is a great way to check whether browser extensions or saved browser data are causing the issue. To do that, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private window, then sign in to Drive again and test the file. If the preview works in incognito mode, the issue is most likely coming from a browser extension or a profile setting in your regular browser. Next, if the file still refuses to preview, try refreshing the page or re-uploading the file. Sometimes the first upload was interrupted and Google Drive never processed the file properly. Uploading it again can solve the problem instantly. This is especially helpful if the file is large or if your internet connection was unstable during upload. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are opening the file with preview, clearing your Chrome cache and cookies, using incognito mode, and refreshing or re-uploading the file if needed. These steps solve most no preview available errors in Google Drive without any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes and Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.